What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Sunny here from Sunny Tech 2.0, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get TV channels, movies, and more. Sports, news. It's got over 400 plus TV channels on your smart TV. In Pacific, it's going to be the Samsung Smart TV. And this typically works on Samsung's 2016 and newer. The process is pretty much the same. The button may vary. I'm looking at a newer model. This one is probably a 2014. So let's get started. So before we get into it, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into a quick tutorial. So first thing you want to do is you're going to look at your remote. Towards the middle of the remote, you're going to see either Smart Hub or you're going to see the home button, picture of a house basically. Click on that. It's going to bring you this screen where it's got different tiles on it. And then we're going to go to, whether you have to go left or right, we're going to go to where it says source. Once you get to source, you're going to hit the up arrow and then go to look for where it says Samsung Plus TV. So whether you got to go right, left. And then when you get to there, you see the arrow pointing up. We're going to hit up and we're going to hit add to home. All right. And then from there, you can maneuver it around. It shows you. You can put it wherever you want to put it. Let's maneuver it around. I'm going to put it right on the front. And then you'll get this over here. So Samsung Plus TV. As you can see right off the bat, it shows you recommended channels. All right. It's got Movie Hub, which has got movies, news, a lot of different stuff. Even got some Roku channels right built into it. And then you have the TV guide. I may have to blur some of this for copyright reasons, but you'll see it when you get there. So you can hit the TV guide. It will open it up, and it's going to give you basically tons of content right over here. You can see it right here. Tons of channels, tons of movie channels and things like that. And then on top of it, let's go back real quick. Westerns, a lot of great stuff. So let's go back a little bit here. Okay. The home button. And we're going to go here. Oh, no, I meant to go Samsung. And then you can go within the Samsung Plus app and you can see where it's got content. Catch up on TV shows. Over here you can see you got news, movies, TV show, music, kids. And then when you go arrow to the left, you can see the home. You got tons of live TV, movies and TV shows, music, kids, and you can even search for certain things that you're looking for. So it's got a lot of different content. So this is basically a very quick tutorial, guys, if you like. And I'll do more with Samsung TV. I'm just getting into the Samsung platform. So this was a great start. A lot of content looked over here. Like I said, you'll enjoy it. So check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you used it already, let me know what you think. Go use it, come back, and let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.